Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your sales funnels with ClickFunnels easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin with a clear understanding of your target audience. Identify the specific problems your audience faces. Create a value proposition that addresses these problems effectively. Log into your ClickFunnels account. Click on the Build Funnels button on the dashboard. Select the type of funnel you want to create, such as a sales funnel or lead generation funnel. Choose a template that fits your target audience's needs. Customize the template to align with your brand identity. Add compelling headlines that grab attention. Incorporate engaging images and videos that showcase your product or service. Set up your sales pages with persuasive copy that highlights benefits. Include testimonials and social proof to build trust. Configure your payment gateway to ensure seamless transactions. Set up email automation to nurture leads and follow up with customers. Test each step of the funnel to ensure functionality and flow. Analyze the funnel's performance using ClickFunnels analytics tools. Make adjustments based on data insights to improve conversion rates. Continuously monitor your funnel and optimize regularly. Consider creating upsell and downsell options to increase average order value. Use A/B testing to determine which elements perform best. Scale your efforts by automating where possible and exploring new traffic sources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.